Are you ready to learn today? Okay. Okay, let's start with the letter over here. Yeah, we get alphabet today. Okay. What letter is that?
A.
Is that A? Okay, let's put it up here. And can you find B? Is that the letter B? Okay, let's put it up all next to A. Oh, there you go. Where is letter C? Hey, did you find letter C?
Okay. I need
Okay.
to find it again.
Okay. Okay, look.
I'm fine.
Yeah. Oh, you found letter C. Let's put next to letter B. A, B, C.
In which school find
Yeah.
4?
Hey, let's find letter D.
D.
Yeah.
E.
Yeah. A, B, C, D.
Oh, I found
You
it!
found it. Let's put it next to letter C.
E.
Okay, it's time to find letter E.
E.
Yes. A, B, C, D, E.
A, B, C, D, E.
So let's find letter E.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. You found letter E. Let's put it next to letter D. Yeah, line it up. There you go. Let's find letter F.
F.
Okay, let's put it up on the fridge next to E.
Oh, what is?
Okay, let's put letter G.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. G. Did you find letter G? Yeah, you did.
Wait, what is that?
Yeah. Now, let's put letter H.
H.
Yeah, there you go. Now, we need to find letter I.
I.
Yeah, I. Make it straight.
Now we want to do it. Equals
Okay, letter J.
J.
Letter J. Where can you find letter J? Okay, below A. Yeah. Okay, now we need to find fun. Okay, let's find letter K.
Case.
Yeah,
Letter bonus.
yeah, that's fine.
Oh, I.
Oh, you found letter K. Let's put it up next to letter J.
Oh,
Okay, let's find letter L. Did you find it? Let's put it next to K. Yeah, there you go. Now let's find letter
oh.
M. Ah, that's it. Look at that. You found the M. Let's put the M. Only the right way. That's it. N. Let's find letter N.
And
Yeah. Oh, you found it. Let's put it next to M. Good job. Yeah, let's find O. Letter O.
okay.
You got it. Letter O. Let's put it next to letter N. Okay. Now let's find letter P. Yeah. Okay. You find letter P? Next to O.
Oops, stuck on my piggy.
Okay, let's find letter Q. Q, yeah.
Q.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's this Q?
It looks like O with a tail.
Q.
Yeah. Oh, you found it.
It's like a sloppy bottom.
Yeah, let's put it Q over there. Good job. Now let's find letter R. Letter R. Whoa, look at that. You found letter R. Let's put below letter J. Okay? Okay, let's find letter S. S. Yeah. Yeah. S. Yeah. Did you find it? Let's put it right next to letter R. Next to letter R. Yeah. That's it. Now let's find letter T. T, yeah. Let's put it next to letter S.
Would you like a piggy?
Yeah. Next to letter S.
Hammer is.
Letter U is the next one. Letter U. Letter U. It looks like a horseshoe. Horseshoe. Yeah. Okay, put it next to letter T. Yeah.
Oh, it sticks.
Yeah, it sticks. It got magnet.
Yeah, like magnet trucks.
Yeah. Now letter V.
Z.
Can you find V? It's not V.
Z.
Whoa, look at that. Let's put it next to letter U. Next to letter U.
Oh, it's a cracker.
Yeah. There we go. Now let's find letter W.
W.
Yeah, W. Okay, let's put the W on the fridge.
Magic W.
Yeah, W is magic.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, it's a.
Okay.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah, let's put the W next to V. There you go. Now let's find X. X.
Wow.
Yeah, there you go. You found the letter X. Okay, let's put it up on the fridge. Next to W.
Did you see that? It's just
Yeah, it just went down.
like.
Yeah, just slide down a little bit.
Actually,
Okay, let's put next to W and find letter Y. Letter Y. Okay, let's put letter Z.
Z.
Yeah.
We're going to put.
Oh, there you found it. There you go. Okay, that's the whole alphabet up there. Okay, we gotta start with 0. It looks like O. Yeah, let's put it on the fridge next to the alphabets. Down below the alphabets. Let's put O. Looks like O, but
No,
it's
zero.
Yeah. Number 1. Can you find number 1? Okay, next to 0. Number 2.
Zoo.
Number 2.
Zoo.
Number 2. Put number 2 on the fridge if you find it.
I can't.
Yeah.
2.
Yeah, there you go. Number 2.
2.
Now number 3.
3.
Number 3. It's backward. Make it right. Okay, number 4. Number 4. Ah. Number 5. 5. Where can you find 5? There you go. Let's put it up on the fridge next to number 4. There you go. Nice job. Number 6. There you go. Number 6. Let's touch it down. Number 7. Where's number 7? Number 7. Okay, put it on the fridge next to number 6.
Oh. Little piggy, little piggy, little piggy.
Oh, it's upside down.
Little piggy.
Number 8.
Number 2.
Number 9.
Number 2.
Look at that. You put it up all the alphabets and all the numbers.
Yay!
Yay! Clap your hands. Let's go put that in the mailbox.
Here's Blippi's house.
Yeah, that's your Blippi house.
Yeah. So okay. Okay, let's go backwards.
Yeah, I gotta back up a little bit.
Stay where you are, and I'm gonna run my Jeep.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
My truck just did like
Yeah, did it saw that? Good.
that was very fun. Hey, it's gone.
Yeah, it's
The,
gone.
the nose is gone.
Yeah. Well, your mommy took it out?
Oh no, this is bad. Really bad. Police, police. Never police.
Put the flag up.
Okay. Let's head back. You don't want to hold this in your hand.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, one. To get me a system back up.
Okay, we gotta do the job.